I want to tell you a little bit about Popplet.com. Popplet.com is a free resource, and you can create your own mind maps with Popplet. You can see some examples scrolling in the background of some Popplets. You can see that you can add images. You can also um, color code your Popples, which are the little bubbles that you see. You can change the colors of those. Um, Students can collaborate with Popplet. They can work together to create their own Popplet. They can also add comments to each other's Popplets, but they cannot delete anything that another student adds, which is a cool feature. There is a Popplet app for iPads, but you can't save your Popplets and create more. You can only create one at a time and save them to your camera roll of your iPad. But I want to show you a little bit of what you can do on the website. If you haven't signed up for a Popplet account, you can do that for free here with your Google email address. I'm going to go ahead and log in to show you what it looks like if you have created some Popplets. I've got a couple here. You may see that with the free account, you can only create, I want to say, up to 5 Popplets, and then you'll need to go back and delete some if you like to create new ones. I'm going to click into this one so that you can see a little bit more of what you can do. You can also, I'm going to zoom in here so that you can see you can write inside of a Popple. With the Chromebooks, it could be a little bit tedious to write with the trackpad, so you may just use it to type inside of them. As you can see, you can tell who's created what Popples because their name will be in the upper left-hand corner. So another student has created this Popple, and this is something that I've made because it has my name here in the top left. To add a Popple, you'll need to click the gear button and select New Popple. Once you've selected it, you can move it around if you need to. You can also connect Popples to each other by clicking the dot and dragging it to something that you want to connect so that you can show a connection there. This is also where you'll change the color of the Popple. You can add text. I'll show you. Add text there. You can draw within it, so it's kind of hard to draw with your Chromebook, but there you go. This is where you add pictures. If you have pictures saved on your Chromebook, you can add it there. Or if you have pictures saved in your Google Drive, let's say you've used an iPad and you've taken a picture of something and you saved it to your Google Drive, you can find it there. You'll be able to upload it to your Popple. You can see someone's left a comment on this Popple, a little speech bubble pop up. So if I click that, you can see someone's comment. When you're finished with your Popplet, you can share it out. Make sure that you make it public so other people can get to it. But this is where you click to get the link, so you can copy that link and paste it into Edmodo if you'd like to share it. This is also where you can add a collaborator, so you would type their email address in here, and they would need an account with Popplet first before you can add them as a collaborator. One other thing I did want to share is you can add, click the gear to add more to your Popplet and edit it even more. You can make it a presentation. So if you click record and choose where you want to go in your presentation, you can make the path for it so it's similar to Prezi. So you can make it a presentation as well. And I'm going to hop out of there. So that's kind of an overview of Popplet.com.